Welcome to a family adventure you won't find anywhere else in the world. Fun Mountain at Big Cedar Lodge. Located in the heart of the Ozark Hills, Fun Mountain is open year-round to the public and surrounded by spectacular views of America's premier wilderness resort. You'll have to see it to believe it. Dive into 16 lanes of bowling and discover a unique underwater ocean experience with hand-painted murals and aquatic sights all around. Walk the plank on our giant pirate ship full of climbing nets, slides, and even a ropes course designed for our littlest guests. Then head over to a 4,000 square foot arcade where you can challenge your friends and win big. Need even more adventure? Play on our interactive climbing wall, take a swing in a golf simulator, or rack up a game of billiards. You can even take part in a larger-than-life laser tag battle at Fort Big Cedar with up to 24 other players. With so much to do, even the most experienced fun seekers may need a break from the action. Sit down and relax at Uncle Buck's Grill, where you'll find a full-service menu, all while overlooking breathtaking sights of the Ozarks. Think you've done it all? Think again. Fun Mountain has 360 degrees of entertainment. Spin around or go up and down with a whole new twist on bumper cars. This is the adventure you've been waiting for. From an underwater-themed round of bowling to a friendly competition at our laser tag arena, Big Cedar's Fun Mountain offers countless activities for you and your family to enjoy. To learn more, call or go online and make plans to discover Fun Mountain. Only at Big Cedar Lodge, America's premier wilderness resort.